welcome to another video of Sketchman Draws. This is Boris. So today in the HANNAH BARBERA month we're going to draw Adamant. So I kind of try to mix like a little bit famous ones and the less famous ones. So in this case, like yesterday we did Yogi Bear. So today we're doing Adamant, which I don't think is as famous as Yogi Bear, but I still have really great fond memories of watching Adamant cartoon episodes. I'm going to so let's start with the face. So of course he has this typical like round cheeked the cartoon look, you know, of course the helmet comes and helps give a really different silhouette. Which is really important for to make a character iconic. The egg shape for the eyes, so he's looking this way, right? He's looking at us. And the other eye, it's basically just two lines to indicate the fold. And then like the eyebrow going down. Again, it's like it takes a lot of time, but I think understanding real anatomy allows you to understand, allows you to come up or understand the cartoon anatomy actually. Yeah, he does have some lines there. So I'm using a pen like I did with the previous videos because I feel like it just slows me down and I'm able to explain, and you are able to see slowly the strokes, the marks that are being done on the canvas. So let me correct a few things here. I just have to make it like this, and a little bit more round, otherwise it takes the cuteness out of the character. And the arm here, I'm also doing I'm trying to do these YouTube shorts, which I don't think it's new, but like they started end of last year I think, but I've just heard about it, so and I hope these things are useful. I mean, either as a nostalgia trip or just because you've never heard of the character before. So this kind of really, so I think that's what I really love, like this designy sharp character shapes that that are very pleasing to look at. And I feel like for the foot, there are no black outline like holding lines for the color. Maybe it's the image I've chosen, and by the way I've chosen a really bad image, like it's not in high resolution. then one leg like this, and then an oval for the foot, and then another foot. So these poses have been made popular by Superman poses, right? If I have to guess. I wish someone would make a documentary about the Hanna-Barbera cartoons. I would watch that, really. Yeah. Maybe the cartoons that made us, or that no, sorry, that I don't. Oh, they should make it cartoons that made us, right? Because I know there's a the toys that made us documentary on Netflix. Anyway, I'm just going off topic, but as you can see, like, so yeah, it's just follow the outline, and if there is something that you need to leave space for, like for example here, right, like for the foot, for the legs, and I needed to leave some negative space so that I can put that oval to complete it as a with the foot and make it into a complete leg. So so yeah, I would like to thank you again for watching, and please suggest any other ideas you might have for future videos. Please leave the comment section in the comment section. You leave your comments in your comment section, sorry. Please like, share and subscribe, and otherwise this is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.